Hello Ardesi and Pardesi foodies. Today we are going to show you how to make Lukhmi, another delicious and awesome Hyderabadi snack recipe. Makes for a great inclusion in your Iftar meal or can be eaten as a snack as well. It is made with a very tasty filling of mince meat which is wrapped in a thin layer of dough and deep fried. So let's take a look at how we make it. We are going to start by making the mince meat filling. So to a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and allow them to splutter. Add in 1 medium-sized chopped onion and saute. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and continue to saute. Also add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. When the onions turn translucent, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and continue to saute till the raw smell of ginger garlic is gone. Now add in the minced meat. So here we are using 250 grams of minced meat which we have washed thoroughly and left to drain for an hour in a sieve. Saute the minced meat for about a minute or two so that it mixes well along with the other ingredients, and then we are going to cover and cook it for about 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes of cooking, the mince meat has generated a lot of water. Continue cooking it without covering it with a lid till all the water evaporates. This is a very important step as the raw taste of meat will be gone if we cook it like this. And make sure that you do not add any additional spices till all the water has evaporated. Add in half a teaspoon of chilli powder or as per your spice tolerance, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. We are also adding in 1 finely chopped green chilli. Now we are adding in 1/4 glass of water. This will ensure that there is enough moisture for the mince meat to cook thoroughly. Cover and cook on medium heat for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally every 2 to 3 minutes. Lastly, we are going to add in a handful of chopped coriander leaves and continue to cook till all the water has evaporated. This snack is a great go-to recipe when you are rushed for time, as this filling can be prepared in advance and left in the fridge. To make the pastry for the Lukhmi, make a dough out of maida just like you would for a chapati and roll it out into thin sheets. It should be as thin as the pastry used for samosas. Using a pizza cutter or a knife, cut out rectangles measuring approximately 12 centimeters in length and 8 centimeters in breadth. But you can also make them in any size that you like. So here we've got 6 rectangle pastry sheets, and the way to create the perfect shape for Lukhmi is to dampen the edges of the lower half of the pastry sheet. Place a large tablespoon of the mince meat stuffing and cover with the other half of the pastry sheet. Press the edges gently and then press down the edges with a fork to create a tight seal. This will ensure that the stuffing does not come out when deep fried. So in the same manner, we are going to stuff all the other pastry sheets and keep them ready for deep frying. Now let's start deep frying these Lukhmis. Gently drop the Lukhmis in hot oil one by one. Fry them on one side for 2 minutes and then turn them and fry them on the other side for another 2 minutes. Once done, place them on a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. And dear friends, our delicious and tasty Lukhmi is ready to be enjoyed. Serve hot with a garma garam cup of chai. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such mouth-watering recipes. And we will see you soon with another delicious recipe. Until then, stay safe and have a lovely week ahead.